The IAR Embedded Workbench for Renesas Synergy also includes access to the powerful code analysis tools from IAR. This means that you can use CStat and CRUN with Renesas Synergy. The way of working with these powerful code analysis tools, it's really straightforward. So once you have your project ready, you only need to go to the project settings here, and on the static analysis tab, that it's the CStat from IR, you need to enable the checks. So we support all the standard checks that includes common weakness enumeration and 30C. So the standard checks are mainly a collection of good programming practices that will make sure that the syntax of your application it's fine and you are not falling in any of the pitfalls from C programming. So it will, for example, in the case of arithmetic errors, do this floating point comparison and so on, and of course also out of bounds and so on. So once you have the check of lists ready, you just click OK. You can easily later export and import these settings because it's just an XML file. And once this is completed, you can just run the analysis over one file. So for example, if I want to run the analysis over one file, I just need to start here, and initially we will get all the warnings being displayed here for us. So you can of course just double click and it will take you directly to the source code. So if you click F1, we will have this context sensitive help available for you. It will tell you what kind of coding standards have been triggered, if it's the common weakness enumeration, if it's a MISRA C standard check. But best of all, there is always a good and bad code example, so it's easy and it will be a reference to you on how to solve that warning. So you have an easy way to use static analysis in your Synergy project just by enabling the checks and running the analysis over one file or a group of files or the entire project. From the other side, once you manage to solve all these warnings from the static analysis, you can go and the way it works, you just need to rebuild your project with the instrumentation, and once the build is ready, you can connect to the target, and once you enter into the debug session, you will have full control of your application. It's a normal debug session, but of course once you start to running this application, error. Next is the unhanded switch case. So if you pass on that line a few times, it will be reported automatically for you here, and later you can save this information to a file and, for example, send it back to development after your tests to add some protection and make sure that your system is reliable, even because someone is inserting a wrong input or a bad manipulation from the user side. The important thing is that you need to make sure that your source code is reliable by using the IAR code analysis tools. So you have CStat, the static